Hello, so I'm here. If you have any questions on resumes or job updates or anything, please feel free to join the live and ask questions. Yeah. Hello, I can see some people are joining. Okay, how to join? Just click on the your notification link. Hello, how to join? You can ask questions in the chat. I'll be answering the questions. You know, how to join VLSI company for diploma students. So a lot of questions I'm getting regarding this opportunities in VLSI domain, embedded system domain. So the best thing you can do is see, everybody has a degree, everybody has diploma or graduation or those things. But the best way to join is, in my opinion, through some training institutes. That is, get trained in some VLSI uh, domains. A lot of areas is there. FPGA based trainings, VLSI based other trainings is there. SOC training. All this comes under the VLSI category. So you can do any of the trainings, and with that, you can get placed. And I have noticed that some of the training institutes, they have tie up with the companies. Can be a project center, but even project centers, initially if you join, get some experience, then apply for good companies. That is the pathway actually. There is no shortcut. Otherwise you should be like doing a on campus hiring. If you are getting an on campus hiring, then that is great, but unfortunately not all colleges have tie-ups with the core companies. Which private colleges for MTech? If you want to know the list, I can maybe do some research work. I cannot directly say. Please tell me which state you are looking for, which state you are wanting your MTech to be done, which state you are belonging to. Then I can maybe do a research work on that. I can make a video on the list of good colleges, but I cannot directly tell you right now, but I will note this down. Yeah, I'll be coming soon with an answer for this. I have currently 6 to 7 months of gap. Is there an issue? 6 to 7 months of gap is actually not an issue right now. If you have this gap in your graduation, then that can be an issue. But if it is between your 10th standard and your graduation period, that is the duration of the that is the duration in which you have the 6 to 7 months gap, then you can just ignore it, no problem. And actually a lot of companies are giving the liberation of 1 year gap now. I know Cognizant, I know Wipro, a lot of companies are actually hiring people with maximum 1 year gap. So 1 year gap is not a problem. Okay, I completed my BE in 2012. Now I am interested in joining a core company. 2012. Okay. Can you please assist me? Okay. So 2012 means, so there is a very good duration or gap in your career as of now. So the only thing, as I said in the beginning, the only thing you can do here is, now it should be like a fresh start. Now to do a fresh start, you can do a training. You can go to some very good training institutes which has like a tie up with a either a project center or a electronics based company or a startup or something, then get placed. Because if it is core company, then definitely you need something extra. Otherwise you should be studying in either IITs or NITs or tier 1 institutes. Then that's not a problem. Yeah. um yeah, let me just adjust camera a little bit. Okay. PSU versus top semiconductor. semiconductor, which is best? PSU. Okay, so PSU means like public sector. To be honest, getting into public sector is also not so easy. You have to go through various exams and everything. You have to do very good preparation because a lot of people are, competing along with you. And top semiconductor companies, again, um, if you are getting a placement, that is, if you are doing MTech in a good college, and if you are getting into some companies like Intel, I have seen that a lot of internship opportunities are actually coming from Intel and other companies. So if you somehow could get into the top semiconductor companies, then that is a little bit more easier, in my opinion. But if you are doing a very good preparation for PSU, that is also good thing. Which is best? Uh, if you're asking about the salary, I think top semiconductor companies can have more salary hikes and everything uh, coming up in the future. But PSUs, I don't know how much increment they have. Anyway, they have only a fixed level of increment. So in terms of salary, I would suggest semiconductor based companies if you are getting good placements. But both are not so easy to get into, to be honest. Any advice on embedded system career? A lot of opportunities are actually coming for embedded based careers nowadays. All the companies are hiring. And I will tell you another field that is booming, or that is, you know, evolving nowadays, which is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has a lot of opportunities. All the companies, whether it is core company or IT company, has a lot of career opportunities in that field. So that is good thing. Now embedded systems is also having a lot of opportunities in Qualcomm, Intel, Dell, these companies, and also obviously in startups. But our aim is always to get into, high paying companies, right? Like unicorn companies. So they also have opportunities, but freshers definitely need some training, additional trainings. Yeah, I'm getting good questions. Anything about getting an internship in core companies, BTech EC third year? Yeah, I think you have a GATE score as well. So I am assuming that you are studying in a good college. So please contact with your placement cell. They can help you since you are in the third year. Okay, since you are in the third year, there is always opportunities through colleges. But if your college doesn't have tie up with any of the companies, then definitely you are free to go out and attend all the off-campus drives, internships. I am actually making videos weekly on internships of core companies. I will definitely continue making those. That is for freshers or for final years, how to find internships in core companies. But definitely there is availability. There is a lot of opportunities for interns or to find internships. So don't worry on that. Okay, I'm getting a comment. Continue your Python course. Definitely, I'm continuing. And one more thing, I'll be doing the same thing as a certified version on Udemy platform. We already have a VHDL course on Udemy. We'll be launching this Udemy Python course soon. I'm actually in the preparation for that. I have shot a couple of videos. Couple of videos are ready. So please wait for that. If you want the certified version, you just go to Udemy. You have to buy the course. It's not a huge price, but it's obviously costing some price because Udemy is not it's a platform that, where you can get free courses. Yeah, free courses are there, but if you want a good duration or good standard course, you need to pay some money. So that way there is available. If you are looking for a free version, I'll be doing the series in YouTube as well, but it will take some time. I'll be uploading the videos because I have a bunch of videos ready in my computer. I just need to upload them. My son is going to complete EC VLSI, still no placement. What to do, mom? The placement is a big deal with many of the colleges. So, in my opinion, so when you are selecting the college, at that time itself, you should do some research work, and you should try to, do the education or try to study in colleges that is having good placement. That is the only solution for this. Otherwise, you have to go through off campus placements, off campus drives. A lot of off campus drive is there. Actually, I got my first job that was in Capgemini through an off campus drive. So it's always there, it's always there, the job opportunities are always there, but somehow you are not able to find them. That is the problem. Nowadays a lot of people are into engineering, electronics, those fields. So I know there is a lot of competition, but anyway, there is opportunities. There is a lot of opportunities for freshers, experienced people, but you always have to try for off-campus try. So if the companies are not coming to your college, then you have to definitely go out, try to make maximum contacts with the seniors. That is actually a very good thing to do. So if you're so this person is asking for his son. So the best thing you can do is go to your LinkedIn or ask your son to, be in contact with some of the, seniors who got placed in companies from that college. So that person who got placed already can refer him, right? So this reference is also a very good thing to do. Ask for some reference or ask for guidance from the alumni of the college who got placed somewhere. Good private universities for doing MTech for GATE qualified students where there are good placements suggest. Okay, definitely. This is the second question I'm getting about the universities or colleges. So again, I cannot directly just say, I can only suggest my colleges where I studied. But I can definitely do some research work on this. I'm going to note this down somewhere. I have actually my pen and book here, but I have this in mind as well. So I'll be coming, but please let me know which state you are looking for. Okay, which state you want to, join for, that is for doing your MTech. And it is good thing that you are GATE qualified. GATE qualified means a lot of opportunities is there for you. You can maybe along with trying for MTech, you can try for jobs. NTPC had a lot of opportunities. South India, okay. South India means specifically if you're looking for Karnataka or Telangana or Tamil Nadu or Kerala, which state you are looking for, please let me know. If it is okay for any South Indian based colleges, then I can also do some research work on that and let you know. But since you are GATE qualified, I would suggest you to search for opportunities along with that. Because as I said, a lot of government-based companies are looking for people through GATE, like NTPC. We have made recently some videos on this. So, yeah, that scope is also there. Okay, Triple E branch, yes. Good private universities, a lot of people are asking for good private universities. Then I think that's a hot topic. Definitely we should discuss on this. Joining training institute to get placement is worth. I mean, if you want to get placed in if you want to get placed in core companies, unfortunately that is the only thing that is possible. Because see, once you are out of the college, then the thing you can do is either you can attempt off campus drives, but when you're going for off campus drives also, it will be difficult. They will be asking you for additional knowledge, or you have to crack their exams. A lot of opportunities is there even without training. I would suggest you to try, but when you're trying for an opportunity, when you're trying for jobs, this time or this period is considered to be ideal period, right? So during this ideal period, what you can do to fill up the gap, because if you are searching job for 1 year or say 2 years, and then you're attending an interview, they will be asking you what were you doing for this 2 years, so you should have an answer. So meanwhile, if you are doing some trainings, the training can help you in landing on a job. Plus, in the interviews, you can tell that I was utilizing this period for getting myself trained in this domain or like that. If you can get some free trainings, that is also okay. But yeah, something useful you should be doing. Please make a VLSI roadmap for companies. Okay, roadmap means if you want like from engineering, then what, then what. Okay, I can make a video on that. Yeah, for PSUs, definitely you need good ranks, because nowadays a lot of people are GATE qualified. That's right. But yeah, GATE qualification itself is actually tough for many people. At least you should be GATE qualified. That is something, that is a criteria for many PSUs. So I told this before. So I recently made a video on the NTPC recruitment. In that, they were not asking for good scores, but at least GATE qualified. Rest depends on the how you give the interview and test and everything. But at least you should be GATE qualified. But again, there is competition. Everywhere there is competition. So there is competition between the GATE qualified people with their ranks. So semiconductor field propect. I don't understand what you're trying to ask. Are you asking about the semiconductor field? I mean, the opportunities. A lot of opportunities is there in semiconductor field. Again, it comes under VLSI FPGA. Yeah. I have done various videos. This question is from Tejasri. Okay, Tejasri, I have done lot of videos on BL. Whenever BL is posting a job opportunity, I am trying to make a video. I also made a video in which I had listed all the opportunities, in which I was literally showing the career page of BL, and I was telling about the opportunities on BL. But BL definitely has a lot of opportunities coming, and I'm actually quite amazed about the number of people they are hiring for electronics and electrical. So the one criteria you should be following is you should be having 60% of mark. Sometimes they are also asking for pass class, but that is mostly for SC/ST people. Otherwise, you should have a 60%. That is first class you need to have. Yeah. So that is very, very important. But a lot of opportunities is coming from Bharat Electronics Limited, and I'll be keeping on. I'll be keep you posted on this. Okay. Whenever they're posting a job opportunity, I'll make a video on that. Please stay updated with the channel. Please stick to the channel because it will be definitely useful for you. Embedded system. Yeah, embedded system has also a lot of opportunities. As I told you, I think I have made quite a good number of videos. Yeah, I have made a lot of videos on the embedded system opportunities, the trainings that you have to do, and I'm planning something in mind regarding there are various courses available on Udemy platform. So what are the courses that you can do to get placed in embedded systems, those things. So I'm trying to help as much as possible from my side, and definitely I'll be keeping on doing that. Can you please make a video on related to BLPE about the syllabus and which subject? Okay, BLP. Okay, I think I should write this down because a lot of requests for different things. I cannot remember all this. Okay, BEL. P is probationary engineer, right? Yeah. Yeah, I can make a video on that. But I believe that BL has a common pattern for most of the exams, whether it is probationary engineer, trainee engineer, any of those. They have like mostly questions will be coming from your core domain. That is whichever stream you are belonging to. That is the thing they are focusing on. Okay. Then there will be questions also, like 20% questions or less than 20% questions will be coming from your uh, aptitude, reasoning, those areas. But mostly questions is coming from your core domain. I think 85%, 15%, like that is a weightage. Then after the test, there is interviews, and the total cutoff is 30% for SC/ST and 35% for general people. But anyway, I can make a video on this. And if you have seen, okay, so there is a video on our channel, which is the selection process of BEL. Free course in YouTube. Okay, there's a lot of videos for embedded system based skills and everything on YouTube. But if you are saying YouTube videos, see, these YouTube videos are for your information or for enrichment. You can just say in your resume that I have some knowledge on this field. But if you want something like a certified version, then you have to go for e-learning platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, or any of these. But there's obviously a lot of questions, or there is a lot of courses available on YouTube, which you can watch for your getting trained in the embedded system field. Please make a video on how the interview will ask questions on the core field. There is a lot of interview preparation videos. I am thinking that you are not much familiar with the channel. Okay, if you go to the playlist section of EC Electronics, okay, just go to the playlist section of EC Electronics. There is a lot of videos under the electronics based core company preparation video. Please watch that videos. Definitely it will be useful. So just go to the playlist. Let me just see. A lot of videos I have already made, and I can make some in the future as well. Yeah, electronics core company interview preparation. There is a playlist in which 19 videos is there. There is selection process of core companies, in which a lot of videos I have put. There is previous year question papers of ISRO technical assistant, mock videos or mock test videos on various electronics based core company preparations. A lot of videos is there, and I can see that the views of those videos are less, so many people are not aware about these videos. Please check out the videos playlist section. Okay, yes, please watch that videos. Okay, now I can also make videos in the future. It's not that I have already done something, I won't make it, but I will definitely work on that. Need some time. But this one, probationary engineer previous year questions, I'm planning to start a series because a lot of people have asked about that. So yeah, joining engineering internship is useful for us. Definitely internships are useful because you cannot directly go into a post, to an experienced post. You have to start like a trainee or an intern, like that only you can proceed with your career. So anyway, especially for electronics field, it's the start is difficult, but once you get the track of it, then definitely it is not a difficult thing. Job openings for freshers on semiconductor role or silicon validation role. Semiconductor role, it's a very specific question. If anything coming up, Shahid, I will be posting that as a video, because our channel promotes mostly nowadays I'm trying to focus more on the government job opportunities, because I feel that it is genuine. Sometimes you post an IT company based job opportunity, and after the video is live, the post will be expired, and kind of I'm getting negative comments that it's not true, it's fake, and like that. I don't want to hear those. So I am focusing nowadays mostly on government job opportunities and core company based opportunities. And also along with that, I'm doing these courses like Python course, VHDL. We have a playlist of VHDL if you want to watch it. That's available. I know pretty much a lot of people are not familiar with it, but we have a VHDL playlist section in which I'm covering interview questions on VHDL. There is VHDL course, section by section or part by part. Yeah. Okay. So it's been like 25 minutes. I'll be ending the video or the live in like 5 minutes, but definitely I'll be coming back on live. I'll try to do this in the morning because most of the people I think will be available for morning timing, so I can answer many of the questions in that. If you have any resume based questions, please feel free to ask. We have 5 more minutes. uh, Again, I know making a ATS friendly resume is without coding for electronics. Without coding, yes, obviously there will be some, testing based opportunities, but you need to know some basic codings to work in the core domain. So, yeah, basic coding should be there because core field is involved with either Python or embedded C or VHDL, anything you should be knowing. If I'm getting any opportunities that is having non-coding based opportunity, if I'm getting, I'll be definitely posting that. Okay. Yeah. I'm happy to see at least 10 to 15 people in this live because I was not really expecting much people. When I came on the laptop, when I was live there, actually nobody was there. Yeah. But I can see some people here and I'm happy. Okay. So we'll be doing more of this live. Please be ready with your questions. And I have noted about that BEL probationary engineer, syllabus and things. So I'll be posting a video on that. Need to do some. I need 1 or 2 days for doing the research work. Based on that, we'll be posting video. Yeah. And also I have noted that you need universities for South to do MTech. Which college is the best? Okay, so let's see. Let's do some research work on that, and I'll be coming with an answer or a short video or something. Probably a short video because it's we can just include the names. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Thanks for joining the live. Thanks for asking questions. Please keep supporting. A lot of people are still not aware about the channel. A lot of the videos are not still popular. Please go to the playlist section and watch that. Yes. Okay. Yes, I am trying to bring as much as genuine content as possible. I'm not going to any, Naukri.com or any other .coms for job opportunities. Mostly I am taking it from either LinkedIn or directly from the company sites, and then I'm sticking with the government opportunities because I feel that they have the deadlines. They have the deadlines to apply, so it's genuine. So I'm glad that you are finding it's useful. Please keep supporting on the Instagram also. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share the videos with your friends. And yeah, see, if you are making some content and some people are encouraging you, that is definitely a encouragement for you to make more and more videos. Any suggestions from you in the initial year of the design for design engineers? That's a very specific question. I mean, initial year, if you are talking about the first year is to focus on your studies. I don't know. First year, you can look for internships. Mostly, you can start from the second year or third year like that. First year, mostly study the subjects, try to get deep knowledge about what you're learning, and try to fix your mind what you want to do in your future, like where you want to go. That is the thing you have to do for the first year. First year is it's all about preparing your mind. What type of job I want, what type of industry I want to go in, what is my domain. You can decide on all these things. So do some research work, discuss with your friends, your seniors, your family, your cousins who are working in the similar field. Those things has to be done during the first year. So that is the important thing. Focus on your studies. That is the main thing you have to do. Okay. Yep. That's all. Okay. So thanks for joining and bye. See you soon.